there, little brainiacs. Welcome to Kool Kreative Mingle. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join our community. Let's dive in. Today's story topic is The Cursed Papaya of Quetzalito.
Tucked away in a small tropical village, amidst swaying palm trees and the chatter of colorful birds, lay a seemingly ordinary papaya tree. However, unbeknownst to the villagers, this was no ordinary papaya tree. At its base, nestled in the rich soil, was a special papaya that held a peculiar power, the power to induce panic. The villagers of Quetzalito went about their daily routines, unaware of the fruit's existence. To them, the grove was just another patch of the vibrant jungle surrounding their homes. It was their life's force, a provider of food and serenity. But this tranquility was soon to be shattered. One humid afternoon, young Carlos, an adventurous boy with an unquenchable curiosity, wandered off into the grove. His eyes sparkled with wonder as he explored the towering ferns and exotic plants. Stumbling upon the papaya tree, Carlos was lured by the uniquely vibrant orange glow of the particular fruit. With a sense of accomplishment, he plucked the papaya from its branch, planning to surprise his mother with the extraordinary find. The very instant the papaya detached from the tree, a whispering echo seemed to spread through the air of the grove, a sound only Carlos could hear. He shrugged it off and carried the papaya home. Later, as the evening sun dipped below the horizon, Carlos's mother, Lucia, began preparing dinner. Slicing through the papaya, a strange sensation overtook her. Feelings of dread and disarray washed over her, her heartbeat quickening without explanation. Lucia dropped the knife with a clatter, feeling an overwhelming urge to flee from everything that was familiar. Carlos, witnessing his mother's panic, froze with confusion. Without understanding why, he too began to feel a clawing fear creeping into his heart. It was as if the papaya unleashed a wave of anxiety that spiraled out of control, engulfing them both. Within moments, the sense of panic spread beyond their home, creeping into the hearts of the neighboring houses. People found themselves gripped by irrational fears. Some ran aimlessly through the village, while others locked themselves inside their homes, unable to determine the cause of their terror. Realizing something was terribly amiss, the village elder, Don Emilio, a calm and wise presence among them, decided to seek the source. Despite the phobic unrest around him, he steeled his mind and ventured towards Carlos's home, guided by a deep-rooted intuition. Upon arriving at Carlos's doorstep, Don Emilio immediately sensed the malevolent aura emanating from the kitchen. There, amidst scattered fruit and toppled chairs, lay the half-sliced papaya casting a dark shadow on the lively pattern of the kitchen tiles. Understanding the gravity of the situation, Don Emilio knew he had to act quickly. Calling upon the spirits of the forest, which he believed guided and protected their simple lives, Don Emilio whispered an incantation passed down through generations. He placed his hand over the cursed papaya, dispelling its dark energy and suppressing its sinister influence. As he uttered the final words, the oppressive weight of fear lifted, like a storm clearing to reveal a clear sky. The village slowly receded from its state of chaos, with people shaking off their unfounded fears, bewildered but relieved. Determined to prevent any future panic, the villagers gathered that night, agreeing to burn the papaya and all its remnants in a ceremonious fire. They vowed to keep watch over the grove, ensuring no other cursed fruit would ever grow again.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of our community.